What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. If you watched the last video, you know I was talking about my transmission was acting kind of funny up on the mountain while we were carving the curves and stuff. Well, got about 3 miles from the mountain, maybe 4 or 5, I don't know, and it broke down. Burned up all the clutches of my 4L80E in Ingles parking lot, broke down. My family's on their way to get me. So this video is going to be tearing a 4L80E out of a G-body with Holley parts and show you how easy it really is, and then we're going to put one back in it, because I got to back up and we'll be good to go. But right now, we're stuck in the Ingles parking lot waiting on the family. So when they get here, we'll get back on the road. Well, it's loaded up. Thanks to my brother for taking care of me, coming to get me. My car's broke down. We're gonna get headed back to the house. Well, there's the truck unloaded. Car's back in the garage. Big shout out to my brother getting the car back. But you're gonna have to dive in, get that 4L80E tore out of there. I got to back up, got to get it in there. I'm probably gonna do a converter because this is gonna be a turbo car, so I'm probably gonna do them together. Just go ahead and bite the bullet and buy one. But yeah, she's back at the house, ready to be worked on. Sweating like a pig. It's hot out here. But yeah, we're gonna hop right into tearing that 4L80E out right quick. So we got the exhaust out already, drive shafts out laying over there. Got to get this cross member out from Holley. Got to take the bell housing bolts out. Got to take the starter out. Got quite a few things to do, but it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just gonna put y'all on a time lapse and let me get to work. You can see we got all the bolts out and everything. Now we just got to get under there and actually take the bell housing bolts off and drop the cross member down. But I'm going to get my handy dandy transmission jack that I borrowed from my brother. Get that thing put under there before I start doing all that, so I don't drop that heavy dang transmission on me. We got the jack under it. We got to get the bell housing bolts off. I pretty much already got them loosened. Really simple. It's 2 on this side, 2 on that side, 2 up top. I've already taken the ones up top off, so I'm just gonna hop on getting these off real quick. We'll catch back up with y'all when we're gonna drop the transmission out. I'm gonna have to jack the car up a little bit, but it's out. We can see that we got the transmission out. Now we got to hop on to the donor. We'll have to catch y'all tomorrow because it's getting late on me at night. Tomorrow I'll take y'all to see the donor and show you where the transmission's coming from to replace this one. And I got a converter coming in. So this video is going to take a while. It's going to take 2 weeks to get the converter. So we'll just have to wait on that. Well, I lost some of the files that I recorded on where the donor was coming from, but it's coming out of a 2005 van that has a 4L80E in it. It's going to be real simple to pull it out. We're going to pull the engine transmission out, bust the transmission off of it, and get in the PTC converter that I ordered, turbo converter, triple billet, because I plan on making some power here soon. Like I said, I'm going to put the turbo in my car, so it's going to take a few weeks. Y'all just stick with me. There'll be more content coming here soon. I got some other stuff in the works, but if you like the content you just watched, or if you like G-bodies and turbos and whatever, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, drop a comment down below. But y'all been watching for a while, you know the message. If you ain't on a break, you better be on a skinny pedal, son. We out of here.